Hey guys, I'm very happy to show you one of the new features of the upcoming 1.5 update for VPS Avenger. In this update we will have some new features, but we are focusing on a new oscillator model called multi-loops. These multi-loops can be basically audio loops which will follow your song tempo, and when they are recorded in minor or major scales, they will automatically switch in your song to the chord you want to play. So we focused on guitar loops, but in fact they can be everything from strings to piano to even vocal loops, whatever you like. You can create your own packs, but we will provide you with some pre-recorded, live-recorded guitar loops in the factory content, and even expansion packs. A new generation of expansion packs are thinkable to only provide you with new loops, new guitars, new recorded guitars for this special oscillator loop model. So let's start by just opening here the oscillator menu. You find the new multi-loops down here, and as you can see, there are plenty of loops here already for the factory, which will provide it for free in the new update. And here are some expansion packs we pre-created, and these will follow later this year, or some will follow at release. We don't know yet. So, okay, let's play some of these loops. And when you want to load a loop, just double click on it. What you now can do is you can play chords here on your keyboard, minor or major in this case. They have been recorded in minor or major. You can see this here. This is the original BPM they have been recorded in. And yeah, let's just play some sweet chords. See, they automatically switch to whatever chord you play. We even have a new latch mode here. Let's turn this on. So this latch mode prevents from re-triggering. So you can just hit a chord, and you have then all the time in the world to press the next chord. The new algorithm, by the way, is licensed from Elastic Pro, which is a very good time stretching algo. It even provides you the possibility to shift the formants, which we can do here. And also let's show the time stretching capabilities. 1 second. Let's switch the tempo. Should be enough for nearly all genres you may need. And yeah, let's move on to some other loops here. Also can turn off the effects. By the way, all effects of course can still be used here in the effects chain. You can route here, you can even route the distortion. You can use the filter here. Like a normal signal chain in Avenger. Yeah, let's show some more. Yeah, I created some pre-made presets here, which I can show. So basically, this is a stack of 3 of these guitars here. You have one lead electric guitar and one bass guitar. and one muted. And all together, mixed with drums, sounds like this. We have even the possibility to use the arpeggiator with the new chord module. So now I switch this on here and I press just one key and it will follow these chords here. Okay, let me show you some more. Here is an example with some distortion guitars. Let's turn off ledge again. Okay, cool. Next one is some light pop music. No drums. And on ledge again. What's cool here, we have sampled some real contrabasses. Cool for lounge music or house. Here's an autoplay too. Okay, let's stop it. Now some reggaeton. Nice. Of course, every key is possible. This. I have one more to show you. Let's turn on the one key. So I hope you see the possibilities of this new module. It's I think it's awesome, and it will save you a lot of time if you need some guitars for your break or something for the background. Or it's so easy. Just play your chords, and it will follow your track, and you save a real guitar player, because these are real loops and they sound real, just real. It's not synthetic, it's a real thing. And we have so many loops here to get, and even in the factory there are very, very much, and they are categorized in basses and even ukulele and some weird things like reverb, drones, and some such things. Yeah, you have plenty choice to choose from. So I'm excited when this will come out. We're not sure yet, but we'll try it in the next month. So stay tuned and watch your Avenger newsletter, so you'll be the first who can download it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.